In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly restore your headlights on your vehicle without using these silly little gimmicks like toothpaste and these temporary polishes that you buy at the automotive parts stores. The key to this fix is wet sanding. We're going to take a soft block, some wet sandpaper, some water, and we're just going to remove the haze that builds up on these headlights over time. The polycarbonate lenses tend to yellow and haze over just from the normal use and abuse and the age of the vehicle. You'll notice these headlights actually have some spiderweb cracking in them, but the finished product at the end is just absolutely amazing. Whoa, Picasso, you're not painting the side of a train car with your graffiti tag. Remember, you want smooth, light coats of clear coat here. We can add more, but it's harder to take away too much. At this point, I decided to be extra and I'm sanding in between coats of clear coat. Now it's time for the other side, and you'll notice here that I start off with a 600 grit sandpaper, which is a bit more aggressive, but this lens was a lot worse.